Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find where the fuse for the windshield wipers is located, you actually have two fuses. Make sure to stay until the end, guys. We will explain about each one of them. Now, that should work on this generation Sonata from year 2009 to year 2015. But before we start, let me tell you guys, if you need to buy any parts or tools, fuses, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And all we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. What we are planning on doing here, guys, is make at least 200 guys videos that relate to electrical components, diagnostics, and the electrical system of this car. Also, we'll have more than 300 mechanical videos taking the engine apart, anything apart, and all that will be published on our YouTube channel, our main YouTube channel, How to Repair, guys. This is it, this is our main channel. Check it out, we have helped more than 100 million people, guys. So, this is the Sonata right here, windshield wiper fuses. Okay, let's explain now where to find those. You need to first, guys, go ahead and open that fuse cover right here. One tap here, one here, squish, pull up. Okay, let's pull that fuse puller out of here. You can see and grab it with us. Let's go ahead and find, where those fuses are now located for the windshield wipers, guys. If yours are not working right, right here, we're going to explain that now. We need to come here by the steering wheel on the left side, remove that cover, pull it out. Now, we need to actually find the fuse that we need, and this fuse, guys, is 20, I believe it's a 25 amp fuse. So if you come, guys, to the fifth row from left to right, 1 2 3 4 5, that 25 amp fuse, the third fuse, 1 2 3, third fuse from left to right, that's the fuse that we need to check, guys. That fuse right here, 25 amp fuse. Grab it with your fuse puller and pull it out. Perfect, just like that. Now, if you guys need to test the fuse or know how to test the fuse, always, guys, I'll recommend to test them. We'll put a link to a video that explains how to test them in just a few seconds. If you think you have a good fuse, but actually it's a bad fuse, you install it, you will start putting more parts, money, and time into your car, and that's not worth it, guys. Always test the fuses or replace it with a new one. If you want to see where we get really cheap fuses, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can get a great deal on fuses, guys. For unbelievable price, pretty much. You get a whole bunch of them. So we will install that one. Now we have one more fuse that we need to check, and the other one, it's actually outside. Let us show you now where. We come right here, we need to find that fuse box again. Let me put that fuse puller here. On the back side of the fuse box, you can see the different numbers and letterings. If you hold it that way, it corresponds to what we have here. Now we need to find a fuse, guys, somewhere here that says wiper as well. And looking at it this way, it's that 10 amp fuse. So it's right next to the fuse puller. So that 10 amp fuse, because the fuse puller will go right there. Check it out. You need to spread it a little bit. Yep. That first 10 amp fuse, that's the one for the wipers as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.